Good evening. Overall, today was a relatively pretty day outside, bar the air quality being a little bit skeptical or a little bit messy earlier on in the day. And as we make our way on into the overnight, those skies continue to stay mostly clear. There's a couple of clouds sticking around. However, we are overall going to be staying mostly clear as we make our way on into the overnight. Tonight is going to be clear, it's going to be cool, and it's going to overall be comfortable with lows tonight in the low 50s. So window open weather if that is what you like to do. As we head on into tomorrow, we're going to be looking at some more seasonable weather, looking at temperatures making their way up into the lower 80s by the time we make it into the afternoon, with cloud cover increasing throughout the day. However, there is going to be plenty of sunshine as we make our way throughout the day tomorrow. As we make our way on into the overnight Monday, those rain chances do begin to increase, but the next chance that we really do get will come up on Tuesday with this severe weather risk. Now notice that we are kind of just on the fringes of this. However, this set of systems could possibly be bringing some more damaging winds, some hail, and the chance of an isolated tornado. So we will be watching this as we go along. And a little play-by-play is this cold front is going to be what's causing this line of storms. Rain is going to start early on in the morning, and that is going to push its way on through, bringing about the first wave and the biggest chance of severe weather. There is going to be this secondary wave right afterwards. However, timing on this specifically is a little bit wishy-washy. So anywhere from the early morning to the early afternoon is when we're going to start to see these systems, and that will continue throughout the day on Tuesday and on into Wednesday. That rain will continue to show around, but afterwards we will begin to see some drying as we make our way through the second half of Wednesday and on into the end of this week, where things will stay relatively dry, if not cool. We're seeing those 70s come back into the forecast before slowly beginning to rise back on into the 80s Friday and Saturday before we reintroduce that chance of rain back into the forecast as we make our way on into the weekend.
Yeah, well, we're not getting many days where we can sleep with the window open, so we have to enjoy tonight, tomorrow.
Yes,
and then
absolutely.
Maybe towards the end of the week we can bring it back.
Yeah, as we get towards Friday, I think specifically that's when we'll be able to enjoy those temperatures once again.
Nice. All right, well, thanks, Rachel. We appreciate the forecast.